Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Screenflow 10. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a rolling edit. A rolling edit will allow you to adjust the end point and the start point of two adjacent clips without changing the overall duration of both clips on the timeline. In order to create a rolling edit in Screenflow 10, you just need to have two clips that are adjacent to each other, so there can't be any gaps in between the clips. You do not need to select the clips, however. All you need to do is hover your cursor between the two clips. You'll see the rolling edit icon appear. Just click on it. First, you'll see the left duration, so the clip to the left of where the split is 30 seconds long. And if I drag my cursor to the left, you're going to see the duration of the left clip is getting shorter and the right clip is getting longer. But the overall duration has not changed for the two clips. And if I want to make this left clip longer and make the right clip shorter, I'm just going to hover my cursor between the clips. I'm going to click on the rolling edit icon. And when I drag it to the right, you are simultaneously changing the end point of the left clip and the starting point of the right clip without changing the overall duration. And now for an example for when you might find the rolling edit useful. If you have added an action, such as a call out action that you see here on this bottom clip, that's what you see in blue. If I were to split the clips at the playhead by tapping on the letter T, it's going to split the clips, but notice that it also deleted the callout action to the right of the playhead. I'll undo that just so you can see it one more time. The same thing happens if you did a ripple delete. So if I wanted to ripple delete this section that has no audio by pressing the Shift key, dragging out a selection, and Command deleting. So I can use the rolling edit to basically change where this split point is on this bottom clip. So I'm going to hover my cursor until I see that rolling edit icon. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm just going to drag it to the right. It changes that split point, or the end point of this first clip here. You'll see here, there's where it splits now. And now I have that call out action extending the length of the video where I want it. A little confusing, but that is how to create rolling edits in Screenflow 10. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.